Aight yo, welcome back to the channel fam. Y'all already know what's up. Today we're checking out something that's got the whole auto scene going crazy. This right here is the 2026 Honda Motorhome, and bruh, Honda just went full savage mode with this one. This ain't your grandpa's camper. This is straight up luxury on wheels, built for the future, packed with tech, and looking cleaner than a fresh fade. So grab your snacks, kick back, and let's dive into this bad boy cause this thing is wild. First off, let's talk about that exterior. Man, Honda didn't just design this, they bodied it. The 2026 Honda Motorhome got that mean futuristic stance, like it just rolled out a sci-fi movie. The body lines are smooth but muscular, the LED matrix lights look straight from the future, and that massive chrome grille. Yeah, that thing flexes hard. The retractable mirrors, flush handles, and that panoramic windshield make this whip look like it's gliding even when it's sitting still. And those dynamic LED strips, they change color depending on your drive mode, eco, sport, chill, whatever vibe you're on, this ride matches it. The rear end is slick too, full-width LED tail bar with that glowing Honda badge that pulses when you unlock it. The tailgate opens hands-free, and boom, you got a storage zone big enough to fit your camping setup, bikes, maybe even your surfboard. The solar roof panels are dope too, keeps your juice charged up when you're off-grid. The 22-inch turbine wheels and that air suspension. Bro, this thing floats smoother than butter on a hot pancake. Now, step inside this beast and whoa, it's a whole vibe. The interior feels like a mini penthouse on wheels. You got premium leather all over, soft touch panels, and mood lighting that wraps around like you're sitting in a high-end club. The cockpit's insane, dual curved digital displays, a holographic HUD, and that yoke-style steering wheel that looks like it came off a spaceship. The built-in AI assistant is straight up futuristic. You talk to it like a homie. Hey Honda, dim the lights, or turn on chill mode, and boom, it's done. Up front, the captain chairs spin 180 degrees so you can face the lounge area. Yeah, no cap, it's like your living room rolled up and said, let's go road trippin'. The back turns into a full-on mini apartment, bed folds out smooth, you got a small kitchen setup with an induction cooktop, smart fridge, and even a little shower zone. The LED lighting changes with the time of day, so you wake up to a sunrise glow and wind down to a cozy warm tone at night. Each seat's got wireless charging, massage mode, and personal climate control. Honda really said, you ain't roughing it, you live in it. Performance-wise, don't sleep on it, this ain't no slow RV. Under the hood or floor, really, you got Honda's new hybrid electric setup, twin electric motors plus a turbo 2.0L hybrid engine cranking out around 500 horses. Yeah, that's right, 500 horsepower in a freaking motorhome. It's got AWD that adapts instantly whether you're cruising highways, hitting dirt trails, or climbing mountain roads. It's smooth, quiet, and stupid quick for its size. You're pulling about 600 miles of range on a full charge and tank, and the fast charging gets you from 10% to 80% in under 30 minutes. Those solar panels even give you an extra 30 to 40 miles daily if the sun's out. Plus, the air suspension auto levels when you park, so you ain't rolling around while you sleep. Tech-wise, this thing is a whole robot on wheels. Level 3 autonomous drive means it can basically handle highway cruising while you're chillin' with a snack. You got adaptive cruise, lane centering, full 360 degrees radar view, and a camera system that records everything in crisp 4K. Perfect for vloggers or anyone who wants to flex that cross-country trip. And yo, the entertainment setup. Pure vibes. A 32-inch retractable OLED screen, surround sound that bumps, and built-in Wi-Fi 6 so you can stream, game, or edit on the go. Overall, the 2026 Honda Motorhome is straight up next level. Honda took that clean, reliable DNA and dripped it out in luxury and innovation. It's stylish, tech-loaded, eco-friendly, and smooth as hell. Whether you're trying to dip cross-country, hit the national parks, or just flex on the highway, this whip's got you covered. Real talk, this ain't just a ride, it's a whole lifestyle. Honda pulled up to the motorhome game like, move over, we talkin', the crown. And honestly, they might have done it, so, what y'all think? Would you live out of this bad boy or just keep it for the weekend vibes? Drop your thoughts down below, hit that like button, and smash that sub cause more fire content's coming real soon. Aight fam, that's it for today's breakdown. Y'all know the drill, stay cruising, Stay chill, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. This was the 2026 Honda Motorhome, the future of luxury travel. Peace out and see you in the next video.